Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create reminder to take notes on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the third option, the settings. Here you can find the calendar option under the passcode. Click that, and in the notification section you can find the remind me to take notes. Click that, and you can set the reminders on the desktop and the mobile option, and you can select the time line of that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.